විෂන් කෙයා විශ්වාසනීය දැක්ම.
බලන හැමතැනකම දැන් විෂන් කෙයා එකක්.
A meeting between representatives of the UNP's Green Blood Group and the leader of the United National Party Ranil Wickremesinghe worked off yesterday at the party headquarters in Sirikota.
There's a public talk about next generation leaders. How do you wish to develop next generation leaders from UNP for the country, and what are your plans for that?
The next generation has lost faith in the political system of Sri Lanka. A few months back, they want to dump all 225 of us in the Diyavanna. So that's the start. They are looking for something new that will work. So firstly is we are giving you a choice of candidates. There are new faces and old faces. If you don't like old face, keep it out and go for the new faces. There are green blood candidates. But that is not enough. There has to be more to be done, and we are coming out to win back the confidence of the young people, and they must tell us what we have to do. We did a lot, but that was not enough. There were still allegations of corruption, breach of the rule of law. So we want to do that, and I'll be addressing those issues, but you can help me. The new group must come, they must take over, but they can't be conventional politicians.
The UNP leader also touched on suggestions to overcome the challenges the country is facing with regard to unemployment.
In Sri Lanka, the unemployment is going to increase. At least 100,000 will leave the apparel sector. At least about 300,000 to 400,000 out directly and indirectly in the tourist sector. So first is we have to protect the institutions and give some form of livelihood to the people who are at the moment losing employment. To do so, we have to find the money. Today the government hasn't got the money. So firstly, we have to revitalize the economy, put out the plan immediately, get assistance from outside. There are so many funding institutions, mainly the IMF, but others. Once IMF okays, other countries will start giving us money to tide over this year and next year. Then start restructuring and immediately push our existing industries and services. But we still have a problem because people from abroad, employment will also be returning. My one is we must revitalize the economy, go out like Japan and Thailand and other Buddhist countries which are completely free market, show the people that we can grow after this crisis, get them back. Of course, we handled this in 2001. When the economy came down in the apparel sector and the tourist sector had no jobs. We handled it in 2015, we handled it in 2019, just after the Easter bomb. So that way we will come up with the plans, and I'll be announcing it in the coming few weeks as the election begins.
ලීව ආයුෂ් කරාබු නැටි දන්තාලේපය ශක්තිමත් දත්තිපලකට